Hi everyone, welcome back. With the COVID-19 all over the world, we're just reaching out to all our subscribers and wishing them all the best and hoping that everybody is well, and hope everybody is keeping their distance from family and friends. That's basically all we can do. And this seems to be the look that most of us are having these days. You know, wearing the gloves and just taking caution. Anyways, I just wanted to do a little short video and make sure everybody out there is doing okay. And we're hoping we'll do some inside videos soon. Anyways, everybody be safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.